To get the other factors, you divide. And that's what we're going to do here. Okay, that's good. So we're using synthetic division. Okay, so again, it's x plus 2 we're dividing by. And so this polynomial is the dividend. X plus 2 is the divisor. It has to be written as x minus something. So it's x minus negative 2. Minus 2 goes here. Okay. We have as well, we have the coefficients of the dividend, right? We have, 3, 2, and minus 8. Okay. And for synthetic division, 3 comes down. Negative 2 times 3, that's 6. Negative 6, excuse me. 2 plus negative 6, that's negative 4. Negative 2 times negative 4, that's 8. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. So again, we can, and this really is what we expected, because we knew x plus 2 is a factor of this. So we expected the remainder to be 0. Okay. So from here, 3 times x minus 4, that's our quotient. Our remainder is 0. So we get this here, right? This quotient, this here, when we divide, we get 3x minus 4. So this is equal to 3x minus 4 times x plus 2. And so if we put that into the denominator, right, you can see there's a little bit of cancellation, namely the x plus 2's. Like that. That's what we get. So from here, we get this, and this is our answer. Now, are there any questions about this? I really hope everyone understands this. It's really my goal. Okay, so let's do another one then. I figured I'd do another one with everyone. Then what I was going to do next is I'll have everyone try one on their own. Okay. So let's do this. So this is one where we're dividing. So again, when you divide, right, that's the same thing as flipping the second fraction and multiplying. It's the same thing as that. That's why down here, from here, you can do this. And remember, since we're dividing, we really should factor, that is. So we're dividing and simplifying. Okay. So we want to factor. So for this here, again, we want two numbers whose product is negative 3, whose sum is 2. So negative 3 is the product, the sum is 2. Well, how about 3 and negative 1? And that's how I got this. 3 and negative 1. For the next one here, the x squared part down there, right? Again, we want two numbers whose product is 16 and whose sum is 8. So what two numbers give us a product of 16 and a sum of 8? Well, how about 4 in itself? We know 4 times 4 is 16. 4 plus 4 is 8, so that would work. That's what does it. Finally, the x minus 2 we can't factor. It's already factored. 3x plus 12. Well, we can take out a common factor of 3, because 3 is a factor of itself, and 3 is a factor of 12. So we take the 3 out, and as you can see, we're dividing to see what's left over. We get 3 times x plus 4. That's what we have here. So again, to divide, you take the reciprocal, you flip the second one, okay? Like so. We factored, factoring here was done, as you can see. Then we multiply, we cancel common factors. Now, let's see, let's see. So it looks like the only thing we can really cancel, it looks like, is x plus 4. And from here, we get this. So that's our answer. Any questions on this? I hope this makes sense. I want everyone now to try these two. But again, what you're going to do here is you're going to multiply or divide, as indicated. You want to make sure you simplify, though. That's what I'm asking you to do here. You're going to simplify. Okay? So, we'll take about 5 minutes to do that. Let me just stop the recording here.